Hello hard hats and welcome back to Construction Simulator. We're getting right into it with pouring the concrete. As we all know, I am so excellent at it, so we're going to get started here. But that is the only job we can do. We got to pour for the walls and the columns as well. So let's try to stretch it out as far as we can here and work our way back to the vehicle and then work our way to over to the other side here. Pouring on. Actually, I just realized I don't actually have that much concrete in the pump, but we'll use what we got. That took a long time, didn't it? Let's go ahead and turn that back on. And turn that back on. Alright, see what we can get done today. We seem to be getting about 25% done every hour, so we'll see how we do get along here. And how I get along with the pump today as well. I did pretty good last episode, I thought. And I probably should have the camera closer to where the pivot points are so I know where the controls are at. Oh, and why I had it extended, I probably should have got done a couple of these pillars that we got to do, or the columns as they call it. I think I'm getting that one. Let me extend it back out because we're here. I should be able to reach this one, right? Or not. I believe that's as far as we can get. Alright, so I can't reach that one. We tried. We tried, though. Let's bring it back in. At least I think I'll bring it back in. And we'll pivot around this way. Yeah, I don't think I'm starting off as good as I was doing last episode, but I'm close. Luckily for me, that when you're not actually pouring the concrete, it's not coming out of the pump itself. It doesn't count unless you're actually over the trigger itself. I actually need to move this over a little bit this way to get it full over here. Yeah, we're going to go through the concrete like we did last time. This building's going to be like 99% concrete, I think. Get that wall done. Should be able to get this column right here, or pillar. Alright, it's a column, apparently. There's that one. So finicky to get these columns poured. Yes, that's another one done. Further up more. At least I'm third of the way on the columns. Can I reach this one out here? I'm going to guess not. That seems like it's kind of far away. No, we can't get to that one. Can't get to that one. Alright, let's bring it in. Whoop, too far in. Too far out. That'll do. Actually, you know what? Since I got it fully extended, well, I did have it fully extended, let's start over here and work our way back towards the vehicle once again. Alright. Let's come over to this side of the wall. Apparently we're empty once again. How much is it? Was it like 19 grand every time I refill this? It's not too bad, I guess. Right, let's swing it on over here. I think I came too close to the vehicle. I'm not going to... yeah, let's get the rest of that if I can. Actually, let's get it. Can I bring it in this close? Yeah, that'll work. Then if I swing it over here... Alright, so we're about half done all the way. I think that's about as much as I can get done for where I am parked. So let's go ahead and move this. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this so I don't have to move it as many times. I think I'm just going to come over to this side here and try to get as many pillars as I can. Who put this construction material here? That's why I want to know. Alright, we'll just park up right up to it. And looks like right there is going to be our starting point. Yeah, so we're going to get most of this wall done here. Yeah, 18,500 every time I fill this up. But we got almost $800,000 left in the bank account, and we'll get the money back once we complete the stage, of course. That filled up. Let's see if I can reach. Nope, that pillar already did. Okay. Pillar, column. You know what I'm talking about. Come on, show me it's green, but it's not going in. I'm going to start ignoring those things. Ah, top side view. And let me come back over to here, and we'll continue on this wall. Now, it seems like the circle on the ground is just a little bit off to the right of where I'm actually pouring. I don't know why I'm trying to get every little piece up to the top, because since we're only on the medium difficulty, I don't think I have to be that particular about it. Alright, we'll come over to this side here. 74% on the wall, 60% on the columns. Yeah, and we're going to run out of concrete right here. That is a great feature in Construction Sim. Just refill, don't have to go all the way down to the store. I'm sure there's a few people out there that are doing it really hardcore by always driving down to where you got to get the concrete. I am not that style, at least not in Construction Sim anyways. I just want to build up the buildings, see them go up, and get paid for it. Now, hopefully I can finish this because I think it's starting to go dark a little bit. Well, Evening hours are coming. Let's try to get this pillar here. Yeah, I think we'll have to move one more time. Alright, we're going to call that good, I think. Reset. Change drive of mode. How many more columns do you reckon I got to do? Probably like 2, maybe 3. So if I park over here in the corner, I should easily, reach that many columns. Wait, my crane is gone? Why is my crane gone? I didn't disassemble the crane. Didn't I end last episode by going up in the crane and seeing where the columns and everything were? Okay. Wait. Why is my crane over there? There's a crane? I just saw a crane in the distance. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's over there. Oh, I hit reset. That's not what I wanted to do. I'm all flustered now. I'm at the right job site, I hope. Yeah, I'm not sure what my crane is doing over there. Have no idea. All right, let me get one problem taken care of at a time here. Are we pouring in these walls? Yes, we are. 95% done. 96% done on the wall. Whoops, I'm in camera mode. That's not going to help me out here. See if I can reach this column over here, which we should be able to. That's going dead center. Let's just get this one because I don't have to move the boom too much. And I'm guessing I got to get one more because that wasn't enough. I'm not sure if I can reach the other one, so we'll get this one here. That's 98% done. Interesting. Sure, 98, 97% completed, but I run out of concrete at that time. Okay, so there's that. And I should... Tell me I can reach this. Come on. Why are we not pouring? Oh, it stopped the pouring because we finished the wall. Oh, are you serious? Come on. I'm going to have to move to get the last 2%. Go figures. Go, it figures as much. All right, let's go ahead and just get it moved. Nighttime is approaching here. But I am curious, is my crane actually going to be in a work zone? Like in a crane spot? I don't know how that happened. I hope my game is not bugged out because in Construction Sim, there's not really any backup saves that I know of. Never really had to look. It's not like you can have save points and restart. Well, I mean, you can restart a job, but you can't just reload a previous save. I could be wrong on that. I just never had to. Alright, turn the pouring on. Turn that on. Are we in? Alright, that is done. Alright, reset that. Drive a mode. All right, so now I got to get my crane. The thing is, if it's actually in a work zone, which I don't know how it can be, I hope I can actually take it down. All right, what's going on with our crane over here? It's in the middle of the road. I can actually get into the crane. And why are there people over here at a house? They're at a residence. Are they trying to steal my crane? I guess I don't know if I should be doing this. This may cause a problem. I have no idea. We're going to come over here and disassemble the crane and reinstall it. Of course, I'll have to pay to have it done. Dismantle. Set up. I mean that'll work. Fine. I probably just had to pay $10,000 for all that, but that's okay. So what are we doing here? Elevator shafts, I'm sure, and ceiling components. Not a whole lot of ceiling components, but some. Oh, we got to place them over there. Well, let's move these elevator shafts first. So we did complete a stage, which is good. We got paid quite a bit. And the interesting thing is we completed the whole stage. We went from, 46% to 49% completed. I was kind of hoping for a little bit more than that, but that's okay. This game does seem off once in a while when it comes to processes, I think, in that form. Nope, swing the other way. Thank you. Well, at least my crane is all situated. I don't know how I got halfway down the road. They didn't have the tools to dismantle it, but they sure had the power to move it that far. Oh, and I should be sleeping through the night, right? So let's go ahead. We'll get this last piece here. We'll get that moved, and then we'll sleep through the night. Have a coffee break. Yeah, look at that thing swing back and forth. Safety third. All right, let me just whip this around. All right, let's get out of the crane. And we're just going to go ahead and take a quick coffee break till the morning hours. All right, let's get these ceiling components. And again, I got to change the camera angle around. Wow, we got a lot more ceiling components to take care of, don't we? So we got a few steps to go here on these. Am I going to have to pour another floor of concrete? I may have to. So I think as a company, I think we'll be pretty much buying any equipment that we do need that we haven't already purchased. Seeing we're at 1.3 million. But I always want to keep possibly, like 400,000 in the bank account. Because sometimes you do have to buy a whole bunch of material. I don't think I need $400,000 worth of material per stage. But it'd be good to have it. I've yet to take out a loan in this game. But that is the thing. I don't know how much of a loan you can take out. And how much the interest rates are. But we get paid well enough. Alright, lower that down. 2 more pieces to go, at least for this stage. And I was trying to think again. This might be my last project for this current contractor that we got going on here. I thought there was only 3 pieces to this one. 3 stages at least. I kind of hope when we get to the launch pad, if you know, if I do in the right process here, maybe we'll get to see a rocket take off. Alright, actually I'm going to leave that right there, because probably after I uncrate these, I'll ask me to put in about 13 of these components, because that's what we did last time. Are we unpacking? We are. Oh, put them over there. Okay, I was like, something happened there and they all disappeared. They went to the side. 17! We gotta do 17. Alright, well, 17 it is. Alright, let's see if I can get the camera where I want it. I never get the camera. Well, sometimes I get the camera right where I want it. But then I get out and go back in and... Oh, I see. They're all going over here. Alright, gotcha. I think the crane was one of the first things I put all my skill points in to max it out, because I knew I was going to be using the crane quite a bit. And as for skills, I think the only ones I got left is like saving fuel and less wear and tear on the equipment, which personally doesn't really matter that much. That's why they're saved for last. Could you imagine if in multiplayer, if you could actually have 2 cranes going at the same time? The trouble that would cause. I wasn't trying to unload there. I didn't hit the button. Too low, I think. Wait, this one goes over here, apparently. Got multiple places I could put that one. Although I have thought about it by putting on some music for the background. I don't know if the in-game music is copyrighted or not, so I never have it on. But I thought about putting in some background music like you would have at a construction site. Well, we're about halfway there. At least as pieces go. Where are you going? Alright, a couple choices. I'm actually going to put you over here by the stairwell, because that looks like where you want to go. But we are going to have another floor to go, I do believe, with that many ceiling panels still over in the building materials unloading zone. And we're only 57% done. Love how we just set those down just so gently. Let's see. Where do you want to go? You want to go over here. All right. So over here you go. And multiple places for this one. So I choose you. And I'm glad accuracy is not too important for placing these down. I think it's once you get like 50% of it over the area at a certain height level, the game's like, close enough. All right, what we got? 4 more. I don't trust it when that little circle is green. You see how it's off when it's pouring concrete. All right, so the last 2 are going to have angles on it, so those will be specific where they got to go. I didn't look down the road, but I assume that the crane where it was actually did disappear when I dismantled it. Actually, I think these panels are the same. Okay, that was me trying to unlatch it before it was too close. Alright, last one of this stage. Come on. Am I too low, too high? Too low. Alright, concrete ceiling, so I got to move this over here, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to move these later on. Plus, I'll get the crane out of the way. Yep, my crane that was there actually did disappear. Alright, concrete the ceiling. Let's go in, like where we started before, because I think I can reach most of the surface area here, so that'd be a good place to start, I think. Yeah, we'll call that good for now. I'll probably complain about it in like 3 seconds when I find out that I can't reach certain areas. Okay, that's as far as we can reach, so pouring on, pouring on. Let me just get over here so I can feel a little bit better about how I'm doing this here. Yep, I lost all sense of controls for this, just like that. Alright, so the coverage rate seems to be doing pretty good, percentage-wise, I mean. Already at 14%. And actually, if I go down the center, it kind of covers the whole area. That's 28% done. Now this area is a little bit wider, so I probably can't get it in one pass. It's like the concrete's going through the floor a little bit. I see some dribbling down once in a while. If I can get this halfway done without really having to move the concrete pump as much. Although I think I just reached the maximum distance there. Well, 45% is not bad. Let's try getting in somewhere like right about here. Well, that's about what we can reach here, which is not too bad. Actually, I'll empty for 383, because I'm just about empty, and fill back up. Feels like I just own a concrete business on this job site. At least I'm not getting stuck on the safety wall, I guess we can probably call it. I mean, little by little, I'm getting better with the concrete pump, but then again, I've been using a lot on this job alone. But before, if you remember, it used to fold up on me all the time, but that was a me thing. I understand what was doing it. At least I think I do. I don't think I'm going to get up to 100% from where we're at, but it should only be one more time that I have to move. And that might be at the max distance I can reach. I know my concrete pump, though, is getting low on fuel, and it definitely needs some repair. Probably should have pulled a little bit more forward than that, but I think we can get this done where we're currently going to be at. At least I hope I can get it all done without having to move again, because that would be disappointing for me. We're at 91%, so we should be able to get it all done, right? Or am I going to get stuck at 98% like I did on the columns? No, we're all set. Alright, reset that. Let's get into driving mode. And I'm going to actually drive it off the site. Although, nope, it says poor columns. Alright. That's why I just saw that at the last second. Let's pour the columns before I get the walls up. Of course, if I do have to go put fuel in this, it's not the difficult thing to do, really. Okay, so one column is 12%, so that means I gotta do about 8 of these. Possibly 9. No, 2 is 25%-ish. So maybe a little bit more than 8. I'm going to reset this. I'm going to put it into driving mode. And I'm going to move it. Just like right about here for now. Now let's go ahead and actually do some of the prefab walls. And move the elevator just to stop doing the concrete pumping for a little bit. Alright, what are you asking me to move here? Where are the walls here? Are they already here? Oh, deliver the walls. Ew, okay. We'll have to go get those. But let's get these in place. Nope. Pick it up a little bit more than that. At least by now we should all know where these need to go. And this one should go over here, right? We think it does. And it does. Perfect. Those are done. All right, let me get the crane over here-ish. Because that way when I come back with the walls, we can unload them from the truck. I was going to say let's grab the Kenny, but we don't have a Kenny on the spaceport map. We got a man truck. And prefab walls, it should be down here. Let's go ahead and fast travel. And then we'll park right into the loading zone, so that way when we're in the store, we should be able to load them. Well, I'd say load them all up. I don't know how many we can actually load. Might be more here than what we can carry. Is it this store? Or is it this store? It's this store. Number of packages, 4. Well, let's go ahead and select that, and we'll purchase. Load package. Can we load more than that? Can we load more than that? Alright, so we can only take 2 of the 4. And back up to, nope, here please, Geodome fast travel. Do I dare to undo the, no. No, did that early on and it didn't work out well. Let's take him off the truck just to be sure. It's an extra step, but we'll do it. I don't want these empty crates glitching out on our trailers. Okay, and let's go uncrate them. See how long it takes me to find the right trigger zone. Yeah, unloading them, it seems like it does just fine. It's when I need to lock them up and send them back where it gets a little tricky. Alright, see what we can get done here before dark. Oh, that one's all set to go. It looks like it wants to go right here. Alright, so where are you going? Looks like you can go right here if you want. And I think I saw one that would go like, no, that's not going to go there. Over here will work. Let's try to get these 4 in before the sun really sets. And then we'll crate these containers back up and ship them back. You're not going to go there. I think you need to be going right over here. Not sure we're going to get 25% done today, but we're inching closer to it. I wonder if the top ceiling's going to have some glass panels. Don't think they would trust me with glass panels in a crane, would they? And I have to remember, before I send my vehicles back to the garage to get repaired, I need to bring them down to the fuel depot and top them off with fuel, because the more I do, then I'll unlock some more perks for the company. Because the perks that we unlocked on the USA map don't transfer over to here, but the skills for you will transfer over from map to map, apparently. Alright, lower that down. Alright, so we're halfway done with that. Let's go ahead and just put the crane back over in this general area. Let's see, I'm trying to see where the most pillars are that I could possibly reach, but I think if I park the concrete pump right in this general area here, I might be able to get them all done. Alright, let's see if I can get these. No. How about there? Oh, there we go. There's one. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It only took me like 2 tries a piece. Not too bad. Let's see. What do I want to do here? Do I want to do more I think we'll pour the concrete columns. But let's go ahead and we're going to do the coffee break now. Yeah, let's go ahead and sleep till morning. We'll get these columns done. And that's will probably wrap it up for today. Won't get the whole stage done, but it won't take us that long to get the next stage done. Can't really see the columns too well here. Maybe if I park in the front like I always do, maybe I can reach 4 of them. I may need to do 5. Let's go ahead and empty out. Wasn't much in there. That way I don't have to deal with it. Let's go ahead and change mode. Don't think I'm going to reach that far one. No, not going to bother trying. Don't think I can reach that. All right, pouring on. Sounds like it's going in. And there's one. Oh, I thought there was going to be a few of them around here, but apparently not. All right. I think I know where to go next to park. And we should be able to get the rest of them, I think. to complete the pouring of the columns. Yeah, I think it's full. All right, so I probably have to do 3 of them. I think 2 of them are going to get me to what, 98%? Maybe 96%? Although, am I going to be able to reach that? I mean, usually I would, but the walls are getting higher, so that means I got to keep the boom up higher to get me over that. I'm going to be short, right? No, I think we're going to make it. Are we? I think I'm short. No, it's not going in, even though it was green there for a little while when I was extending the boom. Of course. All right, let's swing it around here. Let's see what else we can reach. No, I think I'm hitting the building itself. There is one. All right. Oh, there's one right in front of the pump, so we should be able to do it without moving, I think. Yep, 96%. So close. There we go. We got that done. Let's go ahead and reset that. Put her into driving mode. And I'm going to drive it off the lot. And that is where we're going to wrap up for today at least. So we got up to 65%. So we got about, what, 20% done today? I mean, overall, not too bad. But I'm kind of hoping we'll get it done next episode. Fingers crossed. We just got to grab some, 8 more pieces, which is 2 more crates like we just did for finishing up the walls. Then I'm guessing it's just a matter of putting the ceiling on. But there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more pallets here. So maybe put up maybe 20 pieces of ceiling. I don't know, maybe some more finishing touches. I have no idea, but we'll find out next time. And hopefully my crane, just take a note, the crane is here. It's in the spot. It's not halfway down the road. It'll be interesting if it's not here next time, at least I know I can dismantle and rebuild it. Although it will cost me 5,000 chains to dismantle and then another 5,000 chains to rebuild. But we shall see. I don't remember this billboard being over here. The future starts now. New spaceport coming soon. I don't think they want the spaceport next to the Geodome and well, nothing's over there yet. But we'll see. We'll see where they want us to put it. But that's going to do it for today, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the episode. I do appreciate you watching as always. I'll catch you again right here in Construction Simulator. But until then, have a good one.